sharp, biting scent of spilled gasoline and the bone-shaking rattle of an old engine used to be the mandatory cost of keeping a large lawn under control. We accepted the noise and the exhaust fumes because there was simply no other way to get the job done. That era of mechanical struggle is finally meeting its end. This electric riding tractor represents a massive shift in how we think about yard maintenance. When you climb into the seat, the first thing you notice is the total absence of that heavy, vibrating idle. There is no pull cord to yank and no temperamental choke to adjust. You just tap a button, and the system hums with a quiet, digital readiness. It relies on a powerful brushless motor and a stack of high-capacity batteries to do the work that used to require a messy internal combustion engine. This means your garage stays cleaner and your ears stay protected. You can say goodbye to the routine of changing oil, replacing air filters, or gapping spark plugs every spring. The machine is built around a heavy-duty steel deck that is wide enough to cover serious ground quickly. It finds a sweet spot where it is large enough for a sprawling suburban lot, but still compact enough to navigate around flower beds and porch steps. One of the most impressive features is the control you have over the cutting blades. You can actually toggle between different speeds based on the condition of your grass. If you are just doing a quick maintenance trim on a dry afternoon, you can lower the blade speed to preserve your battery life for much longer. When you hit a patch of thick, overgrown weeds, you can ramp up the power to slice through it with ease. This adaptability is something you just do not get with a standard gas mower. The digital control panel gives you a constant update on your remaining power and system settings. You never have to guess if you will make it back to the charger before the battery runs dry. It even has cruise control to take the strain off your foot during those long stretches of open grass. The quiet operation is a total game changer for neighborhood relations. You can turn on the bright LED headlights and mow in the cool air of the evening without bothering anyone nearby. You finish the job without the typical fatigue that comes from hours of engine vibration. It feels smooth, responsive, and remarkably modern. The deck height is also simple to adjust so you can cater to the health of your turf. As the seasons change, it is a shift toward a more civilized way of working outside. You are trading a mountain of maintenance for a simple plug-and-play experience. This is a tool designed for people who want a perfect lawn but are tired of the grease and the noise that usually come with it. It is about making the chore feel like less of a battle and more like a quick, efficient task. The future of lawn care has arrived, and it is surprisingly peaceful. This isn't just about cutting grass. It's about changing the way your entire weekend feels. You get to keep the familiarity of a traditional tractor layout while upgrading every single internal component to something cleaner. It is the kind of change that makes you wonder why. We stayed with gas for so long. Every turn is easy and every pass is precise. The heavy-duty build quality ensures that you aren't sacrificing durability for the sake of modern technology. You have a machine that is ready whenever you are.